Have you ever noticed your child getting anxious or irritable and thought, where did they ever learn that? Here's the truth most parents never hear. You may be teaching your child how to handle stress without realizing it. And no, it's not about what you say. It's about what your nervous system communicates. In this video, we'll talk about how your brain and how your child's brain are constantly syncing and how that can wire them for stress or for calm, and what you can do to rewire that pattern starting today. Our nervous systems are like tuning forks, always resonating with the people around us. When you're calm, grounded, and emotionally present, your child's brain gets the message, the world is safe. But when you're anxious, distracted, or constantly in that fight-flight energy, even if you're never saying a word, their brain picks up on it. So over time, their limbic brain, their amygdala, the part of the brain that scans for danger, learns stress is normal. Things aren't okay. And their nervous system starts living on high alert, even when nothing is wrong. That's how chronic stress wiring gets passed down, not through trauma alone, but through everyday moments of tension that never get reset into calm regulation. So here's the hopeful part. You can rewire it because the brain learns safety the same way it learns stress, through repetition and feedback. So step 1 is awareness. When you notice yourself getting tense or reactive, pause, take a slow breath. You're not just calming yourself, you're modeling regulation. Step 2, prioritize repair over perfection. You don't need to be calm all the time. What matters most is how you come back to connection, saying, I was really stressed earlier, but I'm okay now. Teaches your child that emotions move and safety returns. Step 3, train your brain to return to calm more easily. That's what neurofeedback helps with. It gives your brain real-time feedback whenever it drifts into stress patterns, helping it naturally reset and find balance again. When your nervous system becomes more flexible, your child's does as well. You can't control what life throws at your child, but you can shape the environment their brain grows in. So when you train your own brain towards calm and regulation, you give them the most powerful message possible, that safety lives inside them as well. If you want to learn how to start rewiring your brain for calm at home, visit neurofeedbacktraining.com to learn more about brain training for parents and families.